Hi everyone, and welcome to 6130 Redberry Drive in Gulf Breeze, Florida. We are in the 32563 today in the neighborhood of Heather's Place. This is a nice, quiet, and clean neighborhood that is managed by an HOA. You do have sidewalks throughout, and you are centrally located off Bergen Road, which connects to East Bay Boulevard and Highway 98, so you're very close to main roads. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home spanning over 2,300 square feet. It is a Henry Homes build and was built in 2020, so all of your major items are only 6 years old. You've got fabulous curb appeal with the brick and hardy board exterior, nice mature landscaping, and plenty of driveway parking spots. On the exterior, you do also have a 2-car garage. The home has LVP throughout and new carpet in the bedrooms. So coming inside, you do immediately have your laundry room and access to the 2-car garage. You've got a bedroom here and 2 and a bathroom in this hallway, but I'll take you to the main living area first. As you can see, you've got a beautiful, light, airy, open floor plan. Very high ceilings and recessed lighting. We've got a fabulous large kitchen, stainless steel appliances, white shaker style cabinetry, stone countertops. So you've got a large breakfast bar as well as a large island. And just across the way, you do have your dining area. Built-in microwave above the stove. Do have an electric flat range. Nice double sink. And then a window looking out into the backyard. Extra storage here within the island. And a nice large pantry for food storage. All right, dining area there, and then you can come into your expansive living room. You do have recessed lighting along with a ceiling fan in here, and then you do have a vaulted ceiling. Double doors to access the backyard. You do have your primary bedroom right through here. Here is the brand new carpet I'm talking about. This home is truly move-in ready. Got a large primary bedroom, very spacious, lots of windows overlooking the backyard. So very bright in here. And then you do have a tray ceiling along with a ceiling fan. And in this bedroom, you do have access to the back patio through the double doors there. This is a fabulous master bathroom. It's got everything you could need. You do have a garden tub there. Double vanities. And we see the same stone countertops. Lots of vanity storage with the drawers there. Bright vanity lighting. And in addition to the tub, you do have a tiled standing shower. Does have the cubby hole for the soaps. You do also have a private water closet. You have bright recessed lighting in here as well. In addition to the his and hers double vanities, you do also have double walk-in closets. Quite spacious in here. You do have the wire shelving along with carpet. And the other closet looks just like that and is right through there. So each person has their own spacious closet. I'll take you out back to the backyard, and then we will look at the other 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. So you do have a nice size covered porch out here. A fully fenced backyard equipped with a privacy fence. It is nice to see all of the trees back there along the past the fence line. Do have a shed for extra storage, and then beautiful garden beds here. Do have access to the backyard on either side of the house. You do have a double gate on this side, and on the other side is a single gate. All right, I will take you back to the front of the home. Here is another view of the open living area. All right, and this hallway here, do have a linen closet right as you enter the hallway, and I forgot to mention there is one right by the front door as well. Coming into the second full bedroom, we'll see you do have the blue accent wall, ceiling fan, and a single window there. Nice fresh carpet in this room as well. All of the bedrooms are equipped with carpet for added coziness. Our second full bathroom does have a tub shower combo. You do have a little frosted glass window up there to let in some extra light. Commode, of course, and then you do have a single vanity here. The same stone countertops that we've seen all throughout the house. The home is very cohesive. Under sink storage, and then you do have a linen closet in here as well for added storage. This third bedroom here, they are using it as an office, but as you can see, it is plenty spacious to be used in whichever way is needed. You do have a bright double window overlooking the front yard, so this room does get a lot of light. Ceiling fan. And then you do have your closet through these bifold doors here. The fourth and final bedroom is just across the way here. You do have your closet on the entryway here. Nice clean carpet in here. A single window. And your ceiling fan. So you've got a bedroom here, 2 bedrooms across the hallway, and then the primary bedroom is split from the rest of the house. All right, guys, once again, this is 6130 Redberry Drive in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This home is a 2020 Henry Homes build, and it is truly move-in ready. You've got carpet in the bedrooms, brand new, LVP throughout the rest of the living areas, and a bright dining nook. Come check this one out, guys.